Today I want to talk to you about a STEM collection for teens and tweens at the DeKalb Public Library. Recently, the library acquired a collection of STEM-related titles intended to spark interest in young readers. By reading STEM titles, it is hoped that teens and tweens may be interested in STEM careers and further their education. First things first, what the heck is STEM anyway? It seems to be everywhere. It's a very hot topic in education these days, from careers to summer camps. STEM is a new focus for schools and libraries alike. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. You may also hear STEAM sometimes, which is STEM plus art, because art is important too. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment in occupations related to STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, is projected to grow more than 9 million between 2012 and 2022. That's an increase of about 1 million jobs in the next 4 years. Anyway, why should we, a public library, care about STEM and STEM-related initiatives? Because it's the future! As a stakeholder for DeKalb Public Library, you know our focus on teens and tweens is fundamental to our mission to enriching the lives of DeKalb residents by supporting and encouraging lifelong learning. STEM is the future of our community, and DeKalb Public Library is in fact the blend of history and technology itself. STEM is the backbone of many important aspects of our lives. From infrastructure to iPhones, we depend heavily on STEM and the future of these endeavors. The STEM collection at DeKalb Public Library hosts a number of titles for middle and high school ages, as well as young adult titles, but with a primary focus on grades 6 through 12. The collection boasts a wide variety of topics and an attempt to assure every book its reader, and additional free resources to help students learn more about fields of interest and career information as well. Our selection process for the collection included looking for award-winning titles, positive reviews, focusing on age range, and looking for a variety of topics. Topics include coding and computer science, chemistry, women in STEM, dystopian novels, Earth, science, and ecology, invention, robotics, natural disaster, engineering, science, and a lot more. The STEM collection is truly aimed at helping spark interest in reluctant readers and bookworms alike. This is why the collection hosts over 20 fiction and nonfiction works to help readers discover the joy of reading and notice the hard fun that is STEM. With help from you, our generous stakeholders, we ask that you help support our budding STEM collection in becoming a growing presence in our library. With your donation, we plan to add additional career resources and to create programming focused around the STEM collection. We thank you for supporting DeKalb Public Library, as always. If you have questions, feel free to contact me. My email is listed below. Thank you so much for listening.